So I am working with this BPT charge controller here, and I want to set it up to charge the lithium ion battery that I'm making. So I've been playing around with the parameters, and I'm gonna take you through how I'm gonna set up my battery to be charged so that it works with my current inverter and the battery that I'm making as well. So maybe you'll find this helpful when you're setting yours up. I've seen people work with it on a computer program. I haven't hooked it up to my computer yet, so I'm just working with it with the I don't know, display device that it comes that you can purchase separately. So all right, this is what I'm doing. So I go into the control parameters. That's setting number 4. Hit OK, and then you want to. Normally, this is not set to user, but if you long press it, um, if you long press OK, then it gives you the option to change it between the different settings. So you can go to. So hold on. Let me go back. Let me go up here. If you go here to user and then you hit the up or down button, you can change the different types. So there's sealed, user, flooded, gel, and I'm gonna select user because then you can change the parameters to what you want. I'm gonna leave mine at 200 amp hours at the moment. So there's that. I'm leaving the temperature settings pretty much the same. And I'm basically so the rated voltage, basically is what the meter is going to be reading the battery at. So whether it's on 12 or 24 volts, so I'm going to leave that at auto so that it's going to detect whether it's a 12 or 24 volt system for now. The over voltage discharge or over voltage disconnect is what I think that means. I'm going to change that to 16.6 because these are 18650s, 3.7 volts nominal, but they can go up to 4.2, so they can go to 16.8 volts before they're overcharged. So I'm not going to be concerned about that. The charge limit that I want is going to be 15.6 volts because my inverter will work up to 15.5, and they normally drop back a bit after they're finished charging. So 15.6 is going to be fine, I think, for my application. Over voltage, I don't even know what that REC means, but I'm going to go to, I don't know, 15.5 there. Want my equalized charge to be at 15. Let's see. Equalized charge to be 15.3 maybe. Yeah, let's see how that works. Because I don't think it wants those two numbers to be the same for some reason. Sometimes it'll give me an error message. So boost charge, I'm going to set that to 15. And float charge, I'm going to set that to, maybe I'll do the boost charge to 15.1 and do the float charge to 14.8. Yeah, I think that'll work. Boost recovery, so that's I think where it's going to enter the boost phase, the boost charging phase. think I want to set that to 13.5. I don't know. Let's go up to 13.8. I feel like 14 might be a good number for that, but I'll do 13.8. Low voltage, like recognition, or I don't know, rectification, I guess. I don't know. I'll leave it at 12.6 for now. Maybe put that at 12.8 actually, because I'm using a 4S setup. So if it's at 12.8, then they're like at 3.2 volts per cell, and that's getting pretty low. So I think maybe even 13. You know what? I'm gonna put it to 13. So put that to 13. Under voltage, I'm gonna put that up to 12.6. Under voltage warning, put that up to 12.4. And then low voltage disconnect, put that up to 12.2. And discharge limit, I will leave that maybe 12.1. And the equalized time, I put it to 180 minutes just because I have that number running in my head. And the boost time, I'm going to put to 180 minutes as well. And then you hit the save settings. And then this light flashes over here and it's been saved. So now I feel like I'm gonna be able to connect this directly to my battery, because I wasn't doing that before. And it should work as these parameters have suggested. So I'll get back with you here during the day when the sun is out, when I'm able to, and I'll let you know how that goes. All right, until next time, take care.